Hey, welcome to our channel. How are you guys? Hope you all are fine. If you like our videos, then share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe our channel.
Google's latest Pixel 8 Pro leak shows temperature sensor, colors and more in another effort of its own. Whether intentionally or unintentionally, Google relaunched the upcoming Pixel 8 Pro, putting it in the specific pantheon of leaked phones that all other Pixel models belong to. This time the leak comes via Google's own 360-degree simulator, which lets you see the device from all angles with little yellow dots that mark the various sensors and ports. Check out features like the new temperature sensor and physical SIM slot, as well as the 3 available colors. This, now discontinued, simulator originally featured blue, porcelain, and black colors in a home screen similar to his previous Pixel 7 Pro. Also shown is a SIM card slot, as well as the temperature sensor seen in the previous leak. No specs are given, but, yes, we already have a pretty good idea thanks to previous leaks. The Pixel 8 Pro's camera array is said to include his 50-megapixel main camera, which captures 50% more light, and a 64-megapixel Sony ultra-wide camera. There are also rumors that, like the Pixel 6 Pro and Pixel 7 Pro, it will have a flat display instead of a curved display. In addition, it is expected to have a 5000 mAh battery and a charging speed of up to 27 W. The Pixel 8 Pro was supposed to be announced at Google's next launch event scheduled for October 4th at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. The leak came just before the iPhone 15 launch on September 12th, which is certainly a coincidence. In addition to the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro, we could also see the Pixel Watch 2 and other hardware.